Hi guys, welcome back to Laravel tutorial, and in this video you are learning the Crud operation in Laravel 8. So we are going to follow the step number 4. We have already covered how to install Laravel, and in the second video I showed you that how you can create database and also how you can do migration so that the tables is generated into PHPMyAdmin. In this step we are going to create a controller as well as model. Okay, so this is the command we will be using to create. So the command is php artisan make controller, then this is our controller name and resource model product. So two files will be generated. Actually the first will be this one and second one will be this. So now let's copy this code and go to this cmd and simply type here, then press enter. Here it says that product model does not exist, so do you want to generate it? Yes, press yes, then enter. So two files successfully generated, the models as well as the controller. If you want to see where did this file actually generated, if you go here, then blog and then app folder, and under that go to http and controllers. You can see this is our newly generated file. If you double click on this, then you can see few lines of code snippet has been automatically written by this php artisan command tool. So inside controller you can see here, this is actually the base class which is being extended. That means this is our child class and which is inheriting this base controller class. Okay, inside this you can see that index function, create, store, show, edit and update as well as destroy function has been created automatically. Inside this we will be writing the code snippet to run this application. In the meantime, let's also see that where did the model file got created. Go to model, and inside that you can see this is the model file. Inside this, these are the basic code snippet which has been written itself by this php artisan command tool. Now let's go to its routes file, and inside that you can see here there is web.php file which you need to open and configure some part here or routes. First we need to call here our controller that we have created just before, and then here we will call route resource. Okay, so let's just, so remember this resource function routes, actually this resource routes has following functions. So these routes supports automatically these functions. This resource here, and this one is your alias, and this is our controller name. So in the browser we will be accessing through this. In the meantime, let's do one thing. Now let's php artisan serve. Now our server started. So now let's go to here and refresh and see what happens. So if you go to this, so this one is called alias. So with this alias we will try to access our routes. Here you can see it is showing blank because when you hit this function, this alias, then what happens, it try to open this one, this index. Since index doesn't have anything, that is why it is showing blank page. If you want to check it, then simply here. If you want to verify, then let's go to here and write something here. Print hello, I am index. Okay, we want to verify whether this function is called or not. Now if you refresh it, then you can see this one is being called. So now you can understand that this is the actual file which is being called. This is the actual function which is being called. Here we will call our view file. Okay, so in the next video I will show you that how we will call our view into this function, into this index function here. And so we will be doing this in the next video. So stay connected and see you in the next video. Bye bye.